This is the morning after. Last night I pulled the rear bumper. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. You can see here the original color of the car. It's kind of like a metallic beige. Actually, not a bad color. It's not as brown as I thought it was. And the respray, of course, is this gold color. So I don't have the paint code for the respray. So the body shop's going to have to try to match it with their computer matching system when they repaint the car on the next week. But I'm going to come back again tonight if I can and put the fillers on. The bumpers on these cars are not hard to get off, just four bolts per side. It's surprising how light this hardware is actually for what this actually does, and how substantial the bumpers are. But it's been things are going faster now because the car's got to get done for the paint shop. Nothing like having a deadline to set a fire beneath you. But thank you all for watching, and hope to have another update soon with the fillers on, and then we can get this car to the paint shop in a few days. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you down the road.